Might as well do a 2-for-1. Hey, YT, it's me, CTV. Chris the Vigilante. I know y'all probably wondering why in the hell is he wearing that snap fitting shirt. I mean, I make the shirt look good. Anyway, change the subject once, so I got two Super Games packed boxes. I like this new design they got right here. I wonder where I seen that handwriting from though. Haha. Super Games think they slick. In the box, you know they always send the best t-shirts and tank tops. Like, that's one thing I love about getting boxes from these guys. And what does this one say? And it's always got a hell of an inspirational quote on the front too. Or sometimes they put it on the back. So this one says, oh come on, you'll never know your limits unless you push yourself to them. That is so profound. I tell people who come to me for advice, I always tell them that. I tell my clients that. I tell the members at 9 around that, but there it is right there. It's almost like a military style looking shirt, but love that. I like we got some good stuff in this box this month. This stuff is pretty good. Alphamine, this is a good pre-workout, or you can just take it in the morning instead of using coffee, to be quite honest with you. It's pretty good. They sent 2 packs of that. Iso Amino, y'all already know, fumble. Y'all already know how I feel about BCAAs and how, in my humble opinion, you should only use BCAAs if you in a calorie deficit and not a surplus. But that's a whole nother video. Lean Muscle Weight Gainer by Metabolic Nutrition Vanilla Milkshake. You guys who are hard gainers, who have a hard time putting on muscle and a hard time just gaining weight, fat period, this is something for you. DEFCON 1 pre-workout. Yeah, I think they sent this in a box probably a year ago. It's kind of weak. I would only take it if I was working out. It's probably about, I'm in Columbia, South Carolina. It's probably about 8. It's about 8:15 right now. So if I was to work out around this time, I'd probably use it so I wouldn't be up all night. Hemnavol, ultra concentrated. Ooh, got that citrulline malate in it. And that nitric oxide. If anybody has seen, let me make sure this is not just a pre-workout. Right, this is more like a pump supplement. So, if anybody ever seen my other Super Games pack videos, you already know how I feel about these pump supplements. And Outlift pre-workout. This one, oh wow, 350 milligrams of caffeine. Wow. Did I say clinical? Clinical edge. Not exactly sure what that means, but if you got 350 milligrams of caffeine in your pre-workout, you all right with me. Oh, got some protein bars. I know how I feel about my protein bars. Sin Fit double layer high protein crunch bar. They sent the caramel crunch and peanut butter crunch. These look pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna try these live right now. All right, so just give me a hot little second. I'm gonna pop this open. I'm gonna let y'all know how this tastes. This look like one of them Fit Crunch bars that I'm in love with so much. All right, not bad. Sin Fit by Centers for Labs, pretty good. Amino Stem by USN. USN had a pretty good pre-workout that I got back in the day that I enjoyed pretty good. It had 410 milligrams of caffeine in it, so of course you know I only worked out off that in the morning time. Haha. This amino stem is probably something you can take during the day. It's got 104 milligrams of caffeine in it. And they sent Millennium Blend Advanced Nutrition Snack. Rainforest chocolate flavor. Satisfy cravings and boost energy between meals. Interesting. Well, this is what it looks like. I'll be honest, it looks like some kind of veterinary tablets or something you give the horses. Sound like a bunch of big horse pills in there too. All right, so that was the January box. I'll be right back with the February box. Okay, you like me better with this shirt on? I think I do too. I can't lie. The only thing wrong with that Snap Fitness shirt is that it says Snap Fitness on it. Other than that, I'll be rocking that shirt like crazy. This is the February box. This is the one with the new box logo. It's not necessarily a new logo. They just looks like they just put everything in a smaller box. Probably, you know, just trying to save some money, trying to save some paper. Nothing wrong with that. Once again, it looks like they sent some veterinary tablets or something, but this is alkalizing multi-mineral dietary supplement powder to maintain pH balance and well-being. Interesting. Right, so pre-dub pre-workout by Micronamin. 300 milligrams of caffeine, can't be too bad. Sorry y'all, covered up my face just now. My Cookie by ProSups. Listen, ProSups, y'all did good with the protein bars, but these cookies, I'm not too fond of these, I'll be honest. Didn't really like these right here when I tried them the first time, but I'm willing to give it a second chance. So Lipo 6 RX, this is pretty good. I had the Lipo 6 Black in one of the other boxes, and that was pretty strong. All right, protein pretzel stick, cinnamon twist. They sent, this company is, they call K's. This company sent some protein cereal, and it tastes almost like a gluten-free version of some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So I'm sure these will be pretty good. I'll probably pack these for my snack, take to work with me next week. Freezing what? Freezing in day, freezing in dock. Fat-free, low sugar, protein powder, frozen dessert mix. This is interesting. This ought to be good. Can't wait to try that. Angry Meals, non-caffeinated protein infused peanut butter spread. Y'all was thinking about me, wasn't you? Can't wait to try that. I know how I feel about my peanut butter. Tough Med, natural healthcare products for athletes, Tough Relief, natural muscle and joint rub. I'm sure I'll probably need this after I squat one day. It's in this little tiny little pack. And they sent some Tough Hands. So this is natural hand repair cream. I know I definitely need some of that. Can you see those hands? Gosh, yeah. I more than likely need that. PR Bar, Performance Ready Chocolate Mint Endurance Bar, 15 grams of protein. I'll be honest, PR, Performance Ready, and Super Gains Pack, I would probably give this away. I am not fond of mint chocolate chip anything, okay? Ice cream, protein powder, pancake mix with like whatever. Like it's not, sorry. They sent these Flex flavors with stevia. They sent these one time before, and they sent all kind of different flavors. I have I'm sorry y'all, razzmatazz, okay. Pumpkin spice will likely go in the trash because I don't do pumpkin spice anything. And creme brulee. These are little flavor packs that you can put in your water. They taste pretty good. Actually not too bad. And oh boy, Super Gains, y'all getting fancy. What is this? Is this supposed to be the shirt? You know, usually I introduce the shirt first, but that was on the bottom. Let me see if I can tear this bad boy open. Y'all, I'm sorry this video is so long, but I mean, I had to do 2 boxes, man. Just forgive me. Forgive me, your boy gotta do these videos when he can. All these muscles can't even rip the pack open. I got it now. Ooh. Ooh. You only live once. Might as well be a badass. Boy, y'all always find the best stuff to put on these shirts. Like I told you, check that out. If you haven't already, please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. Please reshare my videos. I would greatly appreciate it. Don't forget, like, subscribe, reshare.